Hi there, John DePadua here with Kettlebells of PA. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at the TRX Suspension Trainer. The TRX Suspension Trainer is one piece of equipment we love to use in our classes. If we look here, we have the TRX Suspension Trainer attached to a horizontal chin-up bar. Now the thing about the TRX is it can be also hooked up to a door via the door anchor, also attached here to the main carabiner. But what we have it connected to right now is the suspension anchor. So notice we have the suspension anchor looped around the chin-up bar, and by looping it around, we can adjust the height of the suspension trainer. Ideally, we have this point at 6 feet tall, and we need a 7 to 9 foot anchor site. The anchor itself looks like this. You've got a carabiner at the top and several intermediate loops. What we can do is attach it in different ways. We can hook it up through a loop. So just by opening a loop, we can hook it through like that. Or we can hook it around the entire strap itself. As we work our way down, we've got the main carabiner. And this suspension trainer has a max weight capacity of 350 pounds. However, this has definitely been tested over and past 350 pounds, but those are the safe limits that they use. If we work our way down, we've got the equalizer loop. We've got the safety or stop loop here to prevent sawing. And we've got the pull tab. The pull tab works in conjunction with the cam buckle here. So if I go down the main strap, we can adjust the length of the main strap according to the exercises we're performing. Coming back up the main strap, we've got a yellow mark here, which is a shortened position mark. So it helps us to quickly adjust the TRX for different exercises to the shortened position. If I come down by pulling on the pushing on the cam buckle and pulling the strap down, we can come down to the mid mark. So for certain exercises, we would use the shortened position or mid mark. If we really wanted to, we could also do an over-shortened position, which looks like this. And that just gives us some extra height there. But in this position, we want to be careful that we don't get the loop or the strap caught inside the cam buckle. So as we come down, we've got the cam buckle here. And coming down to this position, we have the handle. And in certain models, there are different types of handles. This one's a bit more of a home use version of TRX, where the handle itself is more of a spongy kind of texture. In certain models, there's a rubberized texture, which is easier for cleaning. For example, the TRX Force has that. Down here, we have the foot cradle. So oftentimes people say, well, we can do everything that the TRX can do with rings. Rings are awesome, and they're a fantastic piece of equipment. And you're absolutely right, there are some exercises that you can definitely do between both pieces of equipment. This foot cradle allows you to do different exercises where you put your foot inside the cradle. It's quite hard to put your foot inside an actual ring, so this is one of the added benefits to the TRX. All in all, this is a fantastic piece of equipment. It is, in this case, under 2 pounds, so definitely you can take it anywhere you like. One of the great things is the door anchor, so you can take it to a hotel or work out at home with no real issues. We have a chin-up bar here, which is convenient for the suspension anchor. But what's also cool about this is if we had something like a telephone pole where there was a vertical surface, we could also hook this up. So this is the anatomy of the TRX suspension trainer. Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, please let us know.